Trusted Signals.
What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go over Fibonacci trading and how to use the auto fib function with Trusted Signals. The auto Fibonacci is another one of our great tools that I highly recommend for you to check out. Before we dive into this, please do give this video a like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming content. I hope you like this video. Trusted Signals, let's go. Auto Fibonacci with Trusted Signals. All right, so here we have Trusted Signals pulled up with the auto fib. And the auto fib works with all time frames. I have it on the daily right now, but you could see on the 4 hour, it's also going to work the 1 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, all the way down to the 1 minute. But for this example, I'm going to show you guys on the 4 hour. The auto fib has default auto Fibonacci retracement levels that you can see here that you can fully customize to your liking. Some people use the 78.6 or others use the 79. Another example is some people use the 38.2 retracement and not the 23.6. So it's entirely up to you to choose which Fibonacci levels do you want to turn on and off, and even edit those levels, which I'll talk about further along in the video if you want to customize these Fibonacci levels. The auto Fibonacci automatically makes these levels either red or blue, which dictate either sell zones or buy zones. The blue lines will be considered buy zones and the red lines will be considered sell zones. So on this 4 hour example, we could have easily taken a short right here at the 61.8, as we could clearly see that it is a sell zone. And even more beautifully, if you would use this together with your auto Rsi Divergence oscillator, you can use it as an extra confirmation. For example, having a bearish divergence, seeing price right around the sell zone at the 61.8, having it at a high point of the market on the RSI, this would have been a perfect sell entry at the 61.8 area, and that sell would have been great for a good 69 pips. And vice versa for this long here, you could see that price is moving down and the RSI is moving up, indicating a possible long and that the market may turn around. So using this area as a buy zone, the 78.6 being that it is blue, we could have easily entered here together with the confirmation of this bullish divergence, and that right here would have been good for another 63 pips, using the 61.8 as a take profit area. So you could use these Fibonacci zones as entries and exit points to secure profits. I drew out this zone myself here because I did see a nice zone of resistance on the higher time frame. But if we just take this off, let's just focus on what Trusted Signals is showing us. Right here, I want to point out that the price is moving upwards and the RSI is going down, and that is an RSI divergence. So Trusted Signals is going to automatically give you that divergence, bearish divergence, market is moving up, and at the 50% retracement area, well, price came very close to that retracement area. It would have been a perfect sell opportunity, and that would have been good for a good 99 pips. This is another completely different strategy where you don't need a buy or sell signal. You can use the Fibonacci retracement levels and the auto divergence oscillator. Now for another example, let's dive into the 1 hour here. Now in the 1 hour, we have more buy areas or buy zones that we can clearly see that are highlighted in blue, and then we have our sell zones again highlighted in red. The idea is to sell at the sell zones and buy at the buy zones. So just a couple hours ago, this buy would have been extremely beautiful to catch this trade from here to there, and now it's at this sell zone. Now the reason why this buy zone was perfect is because if you look in the RSI, it's way down here. The fact that the RSI was oversold and it was really low at this point, and taking this short for me would be a little risky because it's in the middle of the RSI RSI. You want to buy and sell when the RSI is either up here or down here together with the Fibonacci retracement levels. So with that being said, if price continues to push up and makes it around the 38.2 and it's higher in the RSI or even at the 23.6, then I would consider entering short at these sell zones. Remember guys, you want to have multiple confirmations together with our tools. You don't want to have a one go-to all entry. Have multiple confirmations, because 9 times out of 10, if you have multiple confirmations, you're going to succeed more and have a higher winning rate. Now, to get the Fibonacci on your chart is very simple. It's in the main indicator. So when you open up the main indicator, you're going to scroll down and find auto fib and make sure that is turned on. And these is where you can customize your Fibonacci levels. So you can use your level A as 23.6, or you could change that to your liking. I've heard different traders using different Fibonacci retracement percentages, so it's entirely up to you. We left it fully customizable to the user so they're not stuck with a default, instead are able to change it to their liking, which I feel is absolutely great. Another thing I want to show you guys is right here. If I'm extremely zoomed in, notice that I don't see the retracement percentages on my screen. That's because it's on the left. So what I like to do, I like to have my percentages on the right. So you would go back to the auto fib in the main indicator, go to fibs labels position and just click right. And now it's on the right side. This is how I like to have it. So I left that for an example just to show you guys how to do that if you wanted to. Here's a 15-minute example that is absolutely beautiful. Here, having this bullish divergence and having price come down to this buy zone, this would have been a beautiful buy entry. Waiting for the divergence and waiting for price to come to those areas. So it would have hit here and you could have secured some pips, but if you didn't put your stop in profit and held this trade, you clearly see that you would have been stopped out. So I rather wait to see auto divergence together with price being at those buy or sell areas. Because now having price come down to this zone, having this bullish divergence, going long right here, we have a solid 47 pips in the bag. Well guys, this wraps up the auto Fibonacci with Trusted Signals. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope the information is valuable and that you can apply this knowledge to your trading. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking to improve their trading system. Trusted Signals, let's go!